Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 3 question number 22. A prime attribute of a relation schema R is an attribute that appears and 4 options are given. Let's go one by one options. Option A, in all candidate keys of R. This is false. Primary attribute can appear in some candidate key, not all. Option B, in some candidate keys of R. Yes, prime attribute can be present in some candidate key of R, not all. For example, suppose we have a relation schema having attributes A, B, C, D and candidate keys are A, B and A, C. So these two are candidate key. Now prime attributes are A, B, C which are present in the candidate key. Now if we'll see C is present in this candidate key AC but not in AB. Prime attribute can be present in some candidate key, not all candidate key. Any attribute that is present in candidate key called as prime attribute. It's not necessary that all prime attribute will present in all candidate key. So some prime attribute may be absent in some candidate key. Like here C is absent in AB. Next option C, in a foreign key of R, this may or may not. Prime attribute may be present as foreign key or not. Next option D, only in prime key of R. No, it may or may not present. Prime attributes are set of attributes that are present as a candidate key or super key. So it's not necessary that it will be only in primary key. So answer will be option B, in some candidate key of R. Primary key and prime attribute both are different. Primary key that uniquely identify a relation, whereas prime attribute that is a part of candidate key or super key. So combination of prime attribute uniquely identify the relation schema. So don't confuse between primary key and prime attribute. Prime attributes are different. I already discussed keys. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.